You know how it doesn't count when the camera's not turning? Yeah, just imagine what you missed. Oh, it was awesome. If only I'd turned the camera on slightly sooner, you'd have caught that. Look at that big head, look. He's puffed his head up with his feathers. Okay. And that one hasn't. Isn't that interesting? Got any small dogs? Looks like we're clear. Oh, look at that sky. Get that in the thumbnail. When you look at these on YouTube, right, all the ones that have got beautiful sunny sky look great, and all the ones with miserable, overcast, foreboding skies, you think, I ain't looking at that. This is suet, or suit, for the subtitles. I quite like this, don't they? Let's get them in the sun, shall we? Okay, what do they look like in UV? Or with like 3 colours and UV? Can you see one of these guys that I see on the hill had a limp? I don't know if it is here. You with the big head. Yep, got it. Oh, the other guy got it. That was a bit cheeky. Oh, got it on the bounce. I'm just rubbish at throwing. Who else hasn't had a sausage? I think the guy over on the left there nearly lost it. What are these guys looking at? It nearly hit you, that one. Oh, I got it. And the guy on the right. Oh, seagull bowled it out of your beak nearly. Go on, get it. Yes. Alright, you next guy. Oh, drama. See, I probably can't actually throw it that far. Oh, just feeding crows now. Oh, I got it. That was great. Oh, I got peanuts. Oh, there's some guys behind me. Hello, guys. Let me back away slightly over here. Looking a little bit jumpy. Wait for it, I'm holding the peanuts. Try the peanuts while I get the sausage. Paying attention, paying attention. Get it! Oh, it's like the second or the third guy got it. Oh, he was dodging seagulls then. You? Wait for it. You two, look, you two pay attention. Yes, got it! Alright, now the last guy needs to get a piece of sausage. Oh, which guy got that? Oh, dude. This is going in a crow, but come on. 2 guys are paying attention. Yes, the first guy got it. The second guy got something stuck in his foot. Oh, seagull got it. There's 2 guys there. Oh! Yes, you got it. God, did you see the bounce though? Right, let's put some seed over here, look. You can't use seed. That's the seagull halo. Intriguingly, they're all going the other way around. I didn't tell them to do that. They're using their imagination. Got a hive now. Oh, disgusting, icky fingers. What else have I got? We've got meat pie. I'll give him a little bit of this because it's probably going in the seagulls. Look at that. Oh, crow's it. Oh. Oh, 3 crows. Let's see if I can bowl in that. Get it, get it, get it! Yes! Meaty part of the sausage roll. There we go. Whoosh! The red feet are cool, aren't they? Oh, this guy's back. They're just about to leave. Watch it, watch it, watch it! Got it! And the other bit. Oh, seagull got it. Right, let's go up on the hill behind me. See you there.